Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope you're having a good weekend. Uh, can't really do much up here. It is pouring, and it's been pouring all day today. So I decided I'd share with you one of my old videos that was on a late night program uh, about 8 years ago, 9 years ago. I can't say the name of the late night program, but I can show you the video without audio. So without further ado, please sit back, watch the video, and enjoy. Hit that like button if you liked it, and I got my Twitter account link in the description, so follow me on there.